we found out that a lot of franchisees are actually looking at getting G1 Center into their fold for the basic reason that their other business, the primary business, is being supported by a larger number of customers coming in. Footfalls.
Why this question comes is that across the country, the Common Services Center project, they face challenges of power and connectivity and availability of services.
Right.
G1 centers in Delhi, they have got I think the best possible connectivity that is possible.
Right.
They have got good power backup support.
You're right.
Problems are not there.
Right.
And a sufficient number of service basket is also there.
So there's a.
In spite of that, with these centers face viability issues, we have to think about the centers in the rural hinterland where there are much greater challenges.
See, the urban.
I just wanted to supplement what Vishek has told. This is a food for thought for all the people here.
Right.
Who have one after another they presented the different type of single window, whether it is in municipal or please take your seat. So my point is that try to take a future scenario. 7 years to come. 7 years to come, 10 years to come, all the services with great efforts of Abhishek and his team will be web enabled. E-service delivery. Then what will happen to these centers? The centers have got two rules. Just let me. I can see two rules. One rule, it will have a savvy person who doesn't have internet at home. He will be having an access point. Comes. Why government is so keen? Don't miss the point of the social change, which still after 10 years those things will come.
So can I say something? The villages of Delhi are in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana. That is, I am talking about migration of people. I am also associated with Mission Convergence Project and the UID which is coming up. 75 lakh people in Delhi are people who require some kind of support from the government. They are unlettered. They we talking to central government, we talking to various other organizations, NPS, you name it. We will bring all those things here, so that literally what will happen is a Delhi citizen, when he thinks of a service, he'll first think of, can I get it from G1?
Yes,
that's exactly what we're trying to do.
No, I do not dispute that. I'm not disputing. I'm only trying to say.
I would like to raise some. नहीं, but just a question कि very good initiative, very well working I think, but since you already had a infrastructure of a CSC existing in Gwalior, उसको नहीं CSC जो आपके कॉमन सर्विस सेंटर है आईसेक्ट या NICT चला रहे होंगे आपके हाँ रूरल एरियाज में नहीं है
और एक छोटा क्वेश्चन है संजय, ये ई डिस्ट्रिक्ट के साथ कैसे आप मैपिंग करेंगे बाद में? ग्वालियर में ई डिस्ट्रिक्ट हो रहे हैं ना?
Now all districts will be districts. Huh? I think ये ई डिस्ट्रिक्ट का क्वेश्चन आप लंच पे बात कर लीजिए. Let's not put all the questions on the panel only. From the other presenters and other people in the audience, if there are, we may have 1 or 2 questions.
May I request the chair and the moderator to just conclude the session in 5 minutes, please?
Just 5 minutes. If there are any other questions, no questions from this side. If there are any questions from the people who were participating, yeah. Very good. Good learning which you can try to adopt. Any other one last point, one last question or any suggestion? Yeah. उसमें चैलेंज जो ये रहेगा, जो बाद में हम कभी डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, सस्टेनेबिलिटी का, कि जब इंडिविजुअल एक चैंपियन का पुश रहता है, आपके कलेक्टर साहब का बहुत ज़्यादा पुश रहा होगा, इसलिए चल गया, जब इसलिए इसको इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज करने के लिए हमेशा जो एक लार्जर स्ट्रक्चर बना है नेशनल गवर्नेंस प्लान का, उससे इसको लिंक करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. So anyway, we thank all. Yeah.
May I request the chair and the moderator to come over here and do an honor in giving you the mementos to the panel.
Give that time, but let us thank all the presenters for making the wonderful presentations. All the work you are doing is excellent, and it's good that we are getting to learn about it, and it will lead to better sharing across the country, which will help improving the cause of governance and e-governance. Thank you.
Moderator, I've been asked here to come over here. Just a small honor to give a mementos to the presenters. Mementos, please. I request the chair to present memento to Sri Lanka government SMS portal. Mementos to the chair. Yes, SMS, government SMS portal Sri Lanka. Then Akshaya Common Service Center. Akshaya. Then I request a memento for Auto DCR, Automatic Building Plan Scrutiny System, Softtech Engineering Private Limited. Clap, please. Memento for Fishnet, Real Craft, NIC Kerala, State Center. Clap, please. So clapping helps in warming up also. So I request the moderator, Mr. Suresh Kumar, to hand over memento to Jan Mitra Samadhan Kendra Gwalior. A memento for M-Governance and efficient way to meet citizens' expectation, Rajkot Municipal Corporation, please. Next memento to Citizen Services Portal AP Online Limited. Next memento to Jeevan, Department of Information Technology, Government of NCT, Delhi. I request the chair to give a memento to our co-moderator here, Mr. Suresh Kumar. Clap, please. And Mr. Suresh Kumar, a memento for our chair, honorable chair, who has chaired this session very wonderfully and smoothly. Thank you. Thank you, chair. Thank you, moderator. Let us join for lunch, which is being served near the registration counter on the top.